If you keep seeing ads for Dentite Tooth Armor claiming it protects enamel, strengthens teeth, and even reverses early decay, you're not alone. But the real question is, does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped dental product? Let's dig into the facts. So Dentite Tooth Armor is marketed as a formula that protects and strengthens enamel, fights sensitivity, and supports stronger teeth, often with phrases like clinically inspired or pros use this. Some ads even show dramatic before and after results. But just because a product looks convincing in ads doesn't mean the science backs it. Here's a key point. Tooth enamel can't regrow once it's lost. That's a fact backed by dental science. While certain ingredients like fluoride are proven to protect and strengthen enamel by helping remineralization, nothing can reverse actual enamel loss. Pros use products with evidence-based tools, fluoride toothpaste, prescription gels, not miracle sprays or serums that claim dramatic enamel rebuilding. If a product claims it restores enamel, that's a huge red flag. Some dental care products include compounds like fluoride, calcium, phosphate blends, and xylitol, sugar alternative linked to reduce cavity risk. But even these don't armor your teeth magically. They support enamel integrity when used alongside good brushing and flossing habits. No ingredient can literally turn back lost enamel. With products like Dentite Tooth Armor, the efficacy comes down to the actual formula and clinical proof, not just how it's marketed. Let's talk about real people. Reviews for tooth armor style sprays or serums are often mixed at best. Some users say they don't notice sturdier teeth or less sensitivity after using it. Others report mild improvements, but almost always with good brushing, fluoride toothpaste flossing, and dental checkups too. In other words, real gains usually come from proven dental practices, not a standalone spray. Dentists consistently emphasize daily fluoride use, professional cleanings, and proper brushing as the real foundation of strong teeth. So does Dentite Tooth Armor actually work? It might support surface protection or freshness, but it's not a miracle enamel restorer. Real dental strength comes from proven practices like regular brushing with fluoride, flossing, and professional care, not spray on magic. If you're serious about oral health, talk to your dentist. They'll recommend what really helps your teeth, not what looks good in an ad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.